Here I have Wrath and a super steep hill, and it is balancing while advancing on this hill. So I'm going to be just monitoring how it can handle it, considering all of the walk cycle algorithms and balancing and angle of attack and flex compensation. So everything I programmed it to compensate for its physical limitations, I am testing on some decently extreme grades of hills, because that's what it has to survive if it's going to protect my chickens. So I'm just going to watch it for a little bit. I hope it can cross this driveway. I would say it has a grade of 15 to 20 degrees, maybe more, maybe less, but still impressive for any robot to handle. The rear leg is flexing a bit too much for my liking, but okay, good recovery. Oh, some water trickling down. Run away, don't get fried. Run faster. Nah, it's doing its best. Another thing that I like is that it's not coded for a specific scenario, so it's not some kind of demo that I'm doing. So I'm gonna grab it right now. Right now, as you can see, it's walking along this trajectory, but it's not hard-coded, it's not a demonstration. I can grab it at any time, whirl it around, so let's say here, so it has to go up,